Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about why your Equifax credit score is different from your Experian or TransUnion score. This is a very common question, and the straightforward answer is that you actually have many different credit scores, not just one. There are three main reasons why your scores vary between Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. First, not all creditors report to all three bureaus. A lender may report your credit card or loan activity to only one or two of the credit bureaus. If a recent late payment or a large credit card balance appears on your Equifax report but not your TransUnion report, their scores will be different. Second, the three bureaus use different credit scoring models. The two most common scoring companies are FICO and VantageScore, but there are multiple versions of each. For example, a mortgage lender might use an older FICO score version based on your Experian report, while an online service provides you with a newer VantageScore based on your Equifax report. Different models and different versions weigh factors like payment history or credit utilization slightly differently, resulting in varied scores. Third, the timing of updates is different. A credit score is a snapshot in time. Lenders update your account information, such as your balance or recent payment, to the credit bureaus periodically, but they don't all report on the same day of the month, and the bureaus process the data at different times. This means that if you check your score at all three bureaus on the same day, one might reflect a recent payment that the others haven't received yet, causing a temporary difference in the score. In short, score differences are normal. The most important thing is to focus on the underlying fundamentals, paying your bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and checking all three credit reports regularly for errors. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.